Okay, let's find the mass of the thin plate D bounded by y equals x squared and y equals 2x if the density is proportional to the distance to the y-axis. We'll start by sketching the region D. So I like to start by just kind of dashing in the axes here and then drawing the curves. So y equals x squared, y equals 2x. Oops, let's try that a little bit better. So we're looking at this region right here. Let's get rid of those straight lines down here a little bit. So these points, these curves rather, will meet here at the origin 0, 0, and up here at the point 2, 4. If you want to find that, essentially you just set x squared equal to 2x, and then find the solutions to that equation. So if this is my region D, it looks like it's a good candidate for vertical slicing. Y goes from x squared up to 2x. And then where do I need those slices? I have to start at x equals 0 and all the way over to x equals 2. So that gives me the bounds for my region. Now what about the density function? I need a function delta of xy. And what it tells me is that at every point, the density is proportional to the distance to the y-axis. Well, that distance is in fact the x-coordinate. So essentially I have some constant k times x. And that just means my answer is also going to have a k in it. Okay, so the mass is the double integral of that density function, kx. And we said that y goes from x squared to 2x. So dy on the inside. And x goes from 0 to 2. Well, the integral of kx with respect to y is just kxy from y equals x squared to y equals 2x. So you end up getting k times 2x squared minus k times x cubed. So that's for the inside integral here. Now you have the integral from 0 to 2 of all of this stuff. Well, maybe let's in fact factor the k to the outside. So then on the inside, you're left with 2x squared minus x cubed. And integrating gets you 2x cubed over 3 minus x to the 4th over 4. From 0 to 2. Clearly plugging in 0 is going to give you 0, and plugging in 2 is going to get you 16 thirds minus, well, 16 over 4. So that's 16 thirds minus 4, which is the same thing as 4 thirds. Okay, so we end up with a mass of 4 thirds k.